Bullish die cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $8.50 by 2030. Market experts accept die could reach $3.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2023 is 80 cents. Die presentation. DAI has entered the crypto market as a remarkable and significant token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the producer convention. Assuming you're interested about the cost of DAI, look no further. In this DAI cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you really want to be familiar with the cost of DAI, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value. DAI cost today, normal figure cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether DAI is probably going to be a wise venture for what's to come. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed DAI cost figure. What is DAI? DAI is a digital currency resource sent off as the very first insurance upheld decentralized cryptographic money. DAI is not quite the same as different monetary standards in the crypto market, not at all like resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. DAI endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the Creator Convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. DAI can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation designated in ETH, the local money of Ethereum. How does DAI function? Collateralized credits are a way for a bank to utilize resources they own to get a credit. These collateralized credits have a fundamentally lower financing cost than customary unstable credits, as moneylenders can seize and sell resources on the off chance that the borrower can't reimburse their credit. Utilizing shrewd agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the Creator Convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to produce new DAI tokens as advances. To recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay an expense and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's stock can't be modified by any gatherings. A decent stock is kept up with through a complicated arrangement of shrewd agreements, which answer constant market changes and the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was formally sent off in 2017 on the producer convention made by the Creator Establishment. The pioneer behind Creator Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the venture proposing to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out advances. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is administered by MakerDAO, which took over from the Creator Establishment. DAI specialized investigation. Any DAI cost forecast needs to consider the novel position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other digital forms of money, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move. However, what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown strong fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and proficiency like other digital currencies, however dodges the cost unpredictability, an intrinsic gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is a significant token for making a protected speculation and keeping away from high instability periods that storm the open crypto market. With respect to whether or not DAI cost will go up from here on out, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can and differs, however its basic role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that in a perfect world, DAI's cost shouldn't vary a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both downfall and development an impractical notion for the coin. In any case, DAI's cost could in any case vary, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market opinion and do your own exploration prior to going with a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is as of now worth $1 USD. DAI has moved 0.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $169,956,710. DAI is at present positioned 15 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,866,368,359 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for DAI to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant DAI market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. DAI Value Forecast 2023. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The DAI cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.50. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI value expectation 2024. In 2024, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the DAI's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2025. DAI value forecast 2026. In the event that DAI effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2026. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2027, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. DAI value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $6.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help DAI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6. DAI value forecast 2029. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2029. DAI value expectation 2030. By 2030, DAI will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. DAI value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme